All right, back we go. Another video. 227 February, end of the month. We have one more day. That is Monday. Then we head into March. Checking out a lot of these EV stocks. I did CEI. Then I just did MULN. And let's check out now CENN. Another one. I didn't really notice this stock. Central Electric Group Limited. Let's look back here on the monthly. This is a weird dash here. 2010. I don't know what was going on with that. If this was actually, live trading back then. It looks like 2012. This stock's been around. Let me see here. It did a reverse split in 2015, 2019, and now just in this 12/31/2021. So it's done a few splits now, 3 splits. Heavy volume. You can see this on the monthly. Yeah, the stock with the EV sector, people really into this. All right, so let's start the monthly. You can see here, it's going to move down 2020 sideways. Did have a big spike up here. Another spike here. Move that a little bit. And then another one up here to 50. Well, the reverse split, so it's hard to say exactly what it was. Weekly. Let's go back to 2020. The big drop down on 1/100 reverse split. We climb up all the way to near 40-ish. Came down. Where did this come down? This came down to 90 cents about. So it looks like this dollar zone is very important. And a big spike. Look at this volume on the weekly. All the way up to 50. And then we came down here, just washed down. Right now, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 red candles in a row on the weekly. Your 1320 EMA, I like these. When you get far away from it, that is a sign it's way oversold. And, the reverse when you're going up and the stock is getting overbought and you're getting way too far the other way from your 1320 EMA. All right, let's look in the daily here, see if we can see here what's going on. All right, so basically looking at this one, this came back to this level here. Let's see here. This pretty much just one level back in 2020 late. Then this came up. Here's your 5 level. This really moved. Like a lot of stocks moved. Between that November, December, January, February last year, it was a run. Small caps were on fire. And this spiked up all the way to, looks like this candle was 51. That's incredible. See, again, look at your 13 EMA right here. Look how far away. You're very far away. You just don't want to keep going up and jumping in the stock like that. And that's what happens. It came crashing down. Forming pretty much a channel here. It looks like from 690 to, 15, a little bit lower too. Most of the moves of about 12. So it's been this channel. Then here we go. After that, it just eventually dropped off a cliff. A lot of stocks have this market we're in right now. There's this reverse split that was back on December 22nd. And we come down. There's your one level right here. If I could bring this down a little bit more. Right at this one, that is key. The one is very key in Pennyland. 1.75 cents, 50 and a quarter. Now, from this drop off, that is huge. You can say anywhere from 11 to 13, 14. This 14 level, that is a big drop. So I had the retracement, all the way back from this high to the low now. And your 23.6 fibs is a 1281. This is a 140. That's incredible. You can see it rolling along stochastics. Very oversold at this point. It's trying to come up. You have a nice split and your white above your red. That's very good. Telltale sign there. Trying to get now above this 150 level. And, 150 there will be the 2 level. There's not much going back. You go back to 2021, you can see this. That's a 5 level. Nothing really much here. And I would look for this. So you're looking for points. When you get wash downs like this, you're looking for points where this might eventually be a resistance. I don't see nothing here. I see 4, maybe this reverse split at 6, this little area. That will be something. Then higher above, you can see right here to 7 level. You can see it touched pretty much 3 times almost. And then, you're getting above all this. So if this can move, look for immediately 150 at 2 level and go up $1 in each. 3, 4, right to 5 would be an immediate move. Then you have all the way up here. Now, the stock market, like I did in previous videos, if we really get this market gets in trouble even more, you could say, and goes down further, a lot of these stocks probably won't move at this point. They're going to be this on hold, you could say. They're going lower and lower. This could go below $1, maybe 75, maybe 50 cents, before you eventually get a bounce and the whole market settles in. That's the big question. Is the market going to keep going down? Are we going to, go down the next few months here? Is this just a short-term correction? The war in Ukraine's huge, interest rates, supply chain. COVID's taken it back a little bit here now. They said there's another variant out there, more contagious again. Here we go again. So, there's a few questions there. You have oil going to 100. So, let's watch for these levels. So one's key here. It's very simple. If one, this just doesn't hold, you're going lower at 75 cent, maybe even 50 cent. If this can start to move and then we start to go up, it's very looking very good at this point. And on the weekly again, you can see here. So, it's probably going to touch if it does get, maybe sometimes it does one like big spike. Is it going to gradually go up? That's another question. But watch right here. You're 366 to 5. That's why when a lot of these stocks, they come up, this does it before. You can see it right here. Well, this got caught in between back in 2021, then it went above. It's another thing. So this might touch it and then come back a little bit. So that's another interesting area. So that 3 to 5 level is huge. And maybe even 6. All right, so that's it for CEN. Let me look at market cap. 344 million, sales 37 million. I don't see any insider ownership, doesn't list, or insider owned institutions don't really own this. Doesn't say float on FinViz. So what they are is they're a commercial electric vehicle technology company with advanced market validated electric commercial vehicles. Plans to lead transformation in the auto industry through scalable, decentralized production, and fully digitalized autonomous driving solutions. Its vehicles include Metro, Logistar 400, Logistar 200, Nabor 200, and ORV. And recent news investors play said Centro Electric is a real head scratcher of a business case. Then before that, they'll participate in the Work Truck Week, March 8th to 11th, 2022. So this is another interesting stock. Oversold, EV area got pummeled. This is going to bounce. No doubt it's going to bounce. It just depends. Are we going to bounce, up and that's it and come back, or move up? That I think depends on the market too. When the market's strong, like back here, every stock in that November to February range was on fire. Everything spiked up. You look at all kinds of penny stocks. Now, things are going down, and they're going down pretty bad at this point. All right, so we'll see in this though. The potential here is great though. This is really hammered down. You can see here up from even 50, well, the reverse split, 15 channel back and forth. Now we're going down, and it looks like a good spot here. So we'll see how this turns out. All right, that's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kayman Trade Alerts on YouTube. Smash the like button. Leave any comments or any information about this stock. Your thoughts is always good. Check out my links below in my YouTube channel. That is it. Peace. We're out.